This is Experience with Anas, the filmmaker, and what we basically do is we teach young filmmakers how to shoot documentaries, how to shoot music video, being event. Any event has its rules and regulations. So currently we are at Capital View, and we are here to shoot the Eastern Regional Digital Transformation Seminar, or probably a dialogue. So I'm going to teach you your camera settings you should use, your angles, type of shots, what you should do to get a good content for such a seminar like this. So come with me whilst I show you all the tricks, all the behind the scenes to get it done properly. Thank you. Okay, for a corporate meeting or a seminar or a dialogue, basically our focus is going to be on using two cameras. We are going to shoot with two cameras. So what you need to do, what you need to know first, is to going to check the location if they are going to shoot outside or inside. If it's inside, you check your lighting system, you balance your light where you have to put your light and everything when you are done, and your lighting system will determine the kind of ISO you have to shoot. But for your frame rate, if you don't have any slow-mo in mind, I entreat you to shoot 24 frames per second. But if you have a slow-mo to do in post-production and other stuff, then you shoot 60 frames per second or at 1080. I think that is the best settings for such a program, 24 frames per second, so that you get that cinematic look. So when you are done with your camera settings, the first thing you need to do is establish shot. You need to establish the location in which the program is being held, in which the seminar is being held, in which the meeting is being held. So if you have a drone, that's a plus. You drone the environment, establish the environment, being it a hotel, a conference hall, you establish the environment so that the viewer will know where the program is going on. The second thing that you need to do is to shoot the dignitaries or the invited guests whilst they are coming to the conference hall, whilst they are walking in. Some are seated. You have to shoot their reactions as they exchange pleasantries and other things. You have to give a close-up shot, at least 5-10 seconds of each reaction that will be going on in the auditorium or in the conference room. So when you are done, for the main program, like I said, we are using two cameras. So the first thing that we need to do, we have to dedicate one camera for the podium or for the stage or for people who will be talking. So that's the main camera or the master camera. The work of the master camera is for the stage, for the people who will be talking. So you don't take any other shot unless somebody is talking, unless somebody is on the stage. Then the main camera will shoot fully that person talking. Then the second camera, the work of the second camera is to do the cutting shot, what we call the cutting shot. And the cutting shot is basically the reactions of the people seated, the people invited, the person standing talking to. What is their reactions? How are they reacting to what he is saying? That's the work of the second camera. Then when you are done with the program, the next thing you need to do is you have to interact with people, get people to speak on the issue that they discuss. What is their take on the issue? The invited guests, you have to speak to them so that they also speak to the issues, what needs to be done, so that you add it to your content. Then when you are done, you interview the dignitaries, the organizers of the program. Maybe if it's a company, the manager, you interview the manager or probably the CEO, so that they also speak to your camera. They also speak, you ask them relevant questions relating to the issues they discuss, so that you add it all and create a good content for that company, for that your client who contacted you. And I think if you do all these things, you're going to get a clean and neat content for your client. Thank you very much. And my name is Anas Richard, and once again, welcome to Experience with Anas the Filmmaker. All we want you to do is go down there, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that any other content that we will create, you will be notified to watch. You can learn a lot. You can also comment below any other thing you want to share with us, any other thing that you want us to teach you. Comment below, and like I said, we are here to learn. Thank you.